They're good.
It tastes like cheese pizza? Alright. What's your score?
1,008.
1,008. Alright. They definitely have the pizza flavor along with the Cheeto flavor. Give it a 4.5. Oh yeah, those are funky. But they got that fake pizza taste. I thought they'd have specks of stuff on them, but they're different. Good little mix up. 3.8.
Your brothers or sisters are your friends.
I like them. Also love pizza goldfish, pizza flavored things. They're pretty good. They're really not that different from a regular Cheeto. 4.
All right. Try and gather my thoughts on this. It tastes like a Cheeto, but it has a different flavor. I don't know how to describe it. It kind of has like that marinara-like taste to it. My wife thinks I'm weird because I'm not a big Cheeto fan or I don't snap. But I would say this is pretty good. Let's say a 3.7. Pizza cheese bug.
That's actually really good.
Really?
That tastes like pizza.
A little bit. I'm gonna
This
go
tastes like a Little Caesars cheap old pizza.
I'm gonna go 2.7. I don't think the puff is bad. I don't think the pizza flavor.
Stinky.
What'd you do?
That was stinky.
I'll go 4 or 5.
4 or 5.
I'll be easy.
Okay.
Two hands. Tastes like cheese pizza. They're good. I'll go 4.5 maybe. They're good.
Favorite. Nope, not good. I can survive another 2.
Does not taste like this. That's good. I like it. I don't know that I taste cheese pizza. Maybe a little. I don't know. It does have more of like a robust flavor of Cheeto. I like it. I'll give it a 3 out of 5. Okay, I'll just get like a Cheeto. It's pretty good. I do like 3.7 out of 5.
I love it.
I love it.
Pretty nice. I like anything Cheetos though. That's a 4. Solid. Solid. That's good. It's a little different. Nothing crazy. 4.
I don't like that.
You like cheese?
I don't think I like the tomato saucy part of the pizza. You know what I'm saying? Like you can taste it. It's strange. I'll give it a 2.
4. Love it. It's good.
I like it.
Oh, yeah.
Potent smell.
You're good. I couldn't eat like a bunch of them, but I can have like a few when I need a little crunch.
Oh yeah, I could hammer these. Yeah.
These are good. Not bad. What am I supposed to rate it? Out of what?
Is that real
Out
marinara?
of 5? I give it a 3 out of 5.
Yeah, I'm at a 3.2.
3.2 or a 3?
3.2. Sorry, 3.2.